Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com. Making this a small video about the trades happen um, from Monday till now today, Wednesday finish and Thursday starting. Right, it's 2 o'clock a.m. Thursday morning. So let's get started. I'm showing this chart here, and this is a live chart. You can see the price running here, right? 39, 40, 41, right? See now, so this MT4 is live. It's not a picture. It's alive, and this is my entry. Well, the reason I'm showing this is because somebody left a comment on my video that anybody can do this and that, and in the past, it's not that. It is all my chart, all my videos, all my charts. What I do is that I let it run until the target is hit, and just before closing, I record the chart, right? The picture. So this one you can see that I think that this is as live as possible I can show, right? So it is running, the price is going up and all of that, but you will not see me taking an entry when short entry when the indicator is all the way down or in the middle. I take the setup when I take the entry when a proper setup is built. Okay, my strategy, my system. The setup is that this yellow line, it has to be below the black line. This indicator is all the way up. The entry point should be lower high than the previous high, and blue candle turns into red, and I open the trade. So I open the trade here, which got knocked out later before. Right here, the price went up and took my SL out, and that's it. Finito, right? But here I couldn't go short because you can see this the yellow is a little bit above the black. Usually I just take that, but I didn't feel good about taking it, so it went down, yeah, and then it went up again, and then again this one yellow is all right, just below the black, and you can see the blue candle turns, couple of red candles, indicates all the way up and lower high. This high is lower than this high is a little bit lower than this. That's the idea, that's the setup. Four conditions has to be met before I pull the trigger, and this is what I did here. So nothing is special, okay? And I'm not closing. You wonder, why I'm not closing here is a 90 pip. So let me show you why. The reason is because look at my 40-minute chart. This is my analysis. So I also go by the analysis, and my analysis and my target is right here. So this thing is gonna just, if it goes a little bit below than this, right? Yeah, it's gonna go all the way down there. So I have a couple of more 100 pips to come, and I'm taking my chances. I'm sitting on a break even. If it goes up and hit my SL, what do I lose, right? This is how I get some big trades. You saw on my website and my video that I have trades like 150, 200 pips. Do you have to take a chance? Like the one I did, I took the chance here before and got knocked out, but I didn't lose anything, right? So I just got knocked out. But here, it's gonna go up here somewhere and then make a short setup, and boom, it's gonna drop even more to the downside. So maybe around 150, 200, 170, something like that. I'll close the trade. Yesterday I had a pound newsy. I closed around 170 pip, which I'm going to show you. So this is live trade running right now, and the entry was taken by the book, by the setup, by the system. The setup was there, the alarm started beeping, and I came and I took the trade. Okay, this is as live as possible. I can see this is my sell entry here, and this is my SL move to break even plus. So I'm free. I have a free trade right now, right? Okay, now go back, starting from Monday. Let's see how many trades. Just like that, you will see the setup, everything. Okay, so this is exactly, see this here, same thing. Indicators all the way up, price goes into the wave, yellow is below the black, and lower high, blue candle turns red, I open the trade. So this is the trade I opened, but I didn't close, it was running. I was just getting the example, and my target was this here, right? Look what happened to this chart. By the way, on the 19th was, I think, Monday, nothing happened. And the 20th, the things start to show up, some setups, right? So on the 20th, my first trade was, and this trade went straight down and kissed my target and bounced. Watch. This is what happened to this chart. It was there and went up. I gave another short entry and then came 0470. I was sleeping. I couldn't, I didn't put the TP here because I wanted to record the chart before I closed the trade, right? But unfortunately, I was sleeping, and then it went up, and I closed the trade anyway for a few, not few, but maybe 70, 80, 90 pips, something like that. I forgot, so I didn't wrote down here. But this was the target was hit to the pip, but I was sleeping and it's still in the trade. Right, so it was dropping again, but and I says, what the. So this is the first one. Then on the 20th, see, this is where it came and it started bouncing. 0470, right? Start bouncing, and this is where I closed my first trade. I just showed you. Where comes the second one? See now here, the yellow above the black, higher low, indicator all the way down. Red candle turns blue. I open the long. What's special about it? Same thing, same setup, just the opposite side, right? So this is the short. This is a short entry. This is a short entry. This is a long entry, and then down the road it gave a lot of long entries. This was for 125 pip from here to there. This is my entry here, buy entry, and SL move to break even plus, right? Same setup. I do not take any trade without the setup. Here, same thing, same setup. Yellow is above the black, indicates all the way down for the long, right? Buy order, SL move, and before closing, I record the chart and I close the trade. That's it. Red candle turns into blue, going long, and right there is my entry. SL move to break it, right? This is, just keep in mind, that's my, see, another Euro Aussie did the same thing exactly. What's the difference between this and Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie? It was because of Aussie weakness. Okay, same setup. You see this setup everywhere. If you pay attention, learn and pay attention, you'll find it. 80 pip here. Next trade here. This is a short. Same story, just the opposite. Yellow is below the black now. Red, blue candle turned into red, and this indicates all the way up. Lower high. I open the trade. Get this 80 plus pip. This is pound yen. Sell order here, and the SL was break even plus, just like this one. This is a live trade, right? See this moving? Any doubt? If it's not live, it is alive, right? Really alive, like me alive, right? So it is live. It's a live trade. Okay, and same conditions. Yellow is below the black, just about it, right? And lower high indicates all the way high, and blue candle turns red. I open the trade. That's it. Simple as that. Okay, so let's go back, finish this up. Short setup here. I don't need to explain that again and again, right? I explained it already. So 80 pip right there, pound yen. Next trade was USDCAD going up 90 pip. Next trade going up Euro Aussie, same setup, 80 pip. I mean 60 pip, right? Buy order here, SL move. Here, pound Aussie going down here, yellow below the black, indicator up, boom, down, sell order, SL move, and it went up very close to, but it didn't hit my SL, and it came back to this level here. Says, you know what, probably gonna bounce from here, so I just closed it. That was 100 pip, right? It makes sense. Now here, pound Aussie, same thing, indicators all the way up. I mean, I'm not gonna repeat again and again. You know what the setup is now. This is 80 pip. And this was on 21st, right? And then here today, I mean not today, yesterday. Today right now is 2 a.m. Thursday started already, but look, beautiful entry here, right? It was bearish, bounced from this level, 0558 again, boom, it went up. Beautiful entry. The first entry, yellow just got above the black, indicators all the way down. I opened the trade here, sit on the break even plus, went up to this level, 0809. You can see that this my entry was here around 0620, and it is 0809. So 170 pip by the time I close. From plus, I mean not exactly, but 175, 78, something like that. This is how it's done. Okay, this is by the setup. Nothing is recorded. I mean, it's not made. The charts are not made. Again, I'm showing you the broker here, where my live trade of Euro Aussie running. This is one of my favorite pair. You see a lot of trades. Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, Pound Yen. These are big movers, right? And I'm expecting this to go down where? Here, right? So maybe not. Maybe around 127% here. you know, that would be pretty. Right now we were 70.54, so that's 69. Yeah, that would be you know, a pretty good amount of pippage, right? So I'll close around here then, and then see maybe later on it bounce and give me another entry, and then go all the way down here again one more time, maybe Friday, right? This is how continue, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat every day. Okay, so this is today's date here, 23rd. This is what's happening. This pair, why I'm holding it for the a lot of pippage is because look, daily range of this pair is this is where the daily range is. This is the daily range indicator. You see that, and it's showing you this 292 pip daily range. And yesterday it moved 182 pips, right? 182 pips, and right now it is only 90 pips. So why should I close my trade early? Right, because the day started here. So maybe 100 pips so far from top to bottom. Then I have two more 200 more you know, range left, right? So it may drop one maybe 100 more, 100 pips, right? So that would be like around 200. So not even 200, maybe around 150, 60, 70. I'll close it, right? This is how it is. Right, so this is why it is not made up charts. It is a live chart. All of my trades, this is what happens. There are a few other running right now, but you know, it's like few pips, 40, 50 pip positive. I'm not gonna worry about it. Once I have decent amount of people that I'm ready to close, then I will make chart like that, you know, put a sell order, this, that, you know, this arrow here, and then I write down the name and the date and this and the blah, 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 and the mark, yellow marks and all of that. And then I record the chart and I close the trade immediately. That's why you see all of my charts, the one I just showed you here. You see that? This is the trade is still alive here. Buy order. Once you close, this thing disappear, right? It goes away. You're not gonna see buy and sell and all of that and these lines. So the lines are there means the trade was running at the time I record the chart. And this is and some other are right now running. I'm not closing because my target is not hit. That's why I'm letting it go. See, this price is moving up here, up, down, and you can see here. Okay, so I think I clear myself here. So this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, go on my website and you know, subscribe, and I'll teach you how to take these entries. Very easy. Once you learn, you can, you know, do a lot of amazing things with this system. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Like I said, if you like to be a part of it, just go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com, right there, right? And subscribe and start trading. I'll send you immediately all of those, you know, every single thing, the alarms, the EA, the template, the instruction videos, and all of that. And if you have problem doing any of that thing, then you just let me know so I can get on the Skype, and then I will share my screen and I'll do it on my side, and you will watch it and you will do it on your side. So I will set up all the charts and everything just like that on your computer. But I will not get in your computer. I will show my screen, doing on my computer, showing my screen, because a couple of guys was like, you know, scared. Oh, you're gonna get into? No, I'm not gonna get into anybody's computer. Okay, I don't even have to do it. If you want me to do it, then I'll do it. What it is that Skype has a screen sharing, right? So I go, and so you can see this screen, my screen. So I'll open my 5-minute chart, the indicator, the values. I'll do it here. You will watch it, right? And then you can do the same thing on your side, on your screen or MT4. Okay, so you can set up the charts easily. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading